Hey everyone, just a quick video today. I just want to talk about painting the tank. Not actually the tank, the actual accessories that come with it. I don't think they look that great out the box, and just a little bit of paint can make a massive load of difference. So I'll just stick some of them on quickly without any paint. We'll paint them and then we'll stick them on again and really notice the difference. So I've got some Rebel pots of paint, and these are the only three I'm going to be using for this video. This is just a kind of wood colour for handles. This is the metal, well, black for anything that needs to be black, and just some silver to represent some metal. I've got some really cheap brushes from a model shop, and this is just some like Airfix glue which you can use to stick some of the plastic pieces down. It does work really well. Sometimes they come off a bit, so, and that's literally okay. So here they are, not painted. They're not properly stuck down because I need to lift them off again, but I just don't think it adds that much. They just don't look very good, really. Here's a painted thing with something unpainted over there. Hopefully you can sort of tell the difference. And what I'm going to do is just paint all of the accessories and then put them on. Got a couple of spare pieces. I think all I need to paint on here is these bolt cutters or whatever they are, and this shovel. I've got that there, and the axe which should go in there. This is also painted. Oh no, have I got one of those? Yeah, there. Yes, and that's plastic. So I'm just going to now paint these. Also, the track that sticks on the lower plate on the front of the tank, you can separate this piece from it, and I just did that. I've painted it a darker grey, just to, again, these are painted silver, just to kind of match the metal of the tank, and it's Okay guys, I've got all the accessories stuck back on. The tank is now working. I have painted them myself. I'm sorry if it's not to your liking. I wasn't really going for total realistic accuracy or historical accuracy, whatever you want to call it. I just want the model to look interesting to look at and a bit more detailed. I mean, to be honest, maybe the silver's a bit bright, but I think generally it looks pretty good. Now the lights are working, it's all kind of there and it's all finished. So I'm going to leave it here for today and call it for that video.